Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Sorry, it's a long time ago I recorded the normal video. In this video, Mr. Fridge will be playing Super Mario Roleplay. Okay, I'm a T-pose, but that doesn't matter. I have to become invisible and then boom! And now I'm a Fridge. It's really cool. I have admin for some reason.
Yeah, boy.
So now I can be anything in the game. This time I will just be a Fridge and look for people's reaction. I'm sure people will start following me. Hello Bowser. I'm a Fridge. Wait, what? I'm falling and I can't get up. Now he's confused. Let's see his reaction. Yes. Are you a Fridge? Yes. He is so confused. Whee! I am just a normal Fridge. I'm not here. Just a normal Fridge, standing a little bit too far from the wall.
What a joker.
Okay. Are you Luigi fan? I don't know what they're thinking. Let's see what they are thinking. Oh. The model of this sticker star? I don't know. The Fridge is getting sleepy. He needs what?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
He needs to sleep. He is really sleepy today. What? I said he needs some sleep. Bruh. Bruh. Lol. Everyone's getting confused by this. The Fridge is gonna watch some TV. He fell over. Anybody, look his heart is still working or not. He fell over. Does anyone help? Mario died. Rest in peace, Mario. I'm Mr. Fridge. What? Give me stare face, please, admin person. Oh. He knows I'm an admin. Now everyone will see. The admin, the Fridge is an admin. If you guys want to know how to be a Fridge, then just let it know in the comments. I will just post a link of the Game Pass in the description. There are multiple. Let's see. Ooh, Kirby. I want to see how does it look like with other characters. Goomba. Oink. I bought this one though. This is expensive. I know what you get from it, but I don't have enough. I'll be testing it out later. Then I can troll a lot more. I'm the Goomba Fridge. Hello everyone. I am back as a Fridge. Wait, I'm not Goomba. Fridge boy. I'm a Fridge boy. What? I'm just a normal Fridge. Don't look at me like that. Everyone needs a Fridge in his bedroom.
What a joker.
Oh, he joined.
Stupid.
Lol. What? Oh, yo, he can still call. He can give me some ideas. Yes. Me Fridge. Me Epic Fridge.
And his name is John C.